Today, we'll share our hands-on with the OnePlus 16T and see how this performance flagship performs. The moment you pick up the OnePlus 16T, you'll realize it's a large-screen flagship. Its display measures an impressive 6.83 inches. For a smartphone positioned as a high-performance flagship, a larger screen means superior gaming visuals and improved control. The front features this 165Hz ultra-high refresh rate gaming display. The screen's clarity is excellent and it boasts 4-sided cooling. It supports advanced eye comfort features, offering hardware-level low brightness eye protection, which prevents flicker in dim environments. For users who enjoy using their phones at night, this can significantly relieve eye strain. The OnePlus 16T we're experiencing is the flash black version, featuring a frosted glass back cover with a matte finish, making the black deeper, less prone to fingerprints, and providing a warmer, smoother feel. In terms of details, the OnePlus 16T features a gilded mid-frame, also using a sandblasting process. The connection between the mid-frame and the back cover seems to have a smooth transition, making it feel excellent in hand. This 1TB version, a phone with an 8300 mAh ultra-large battery, the OnePlus 16T's weight is kept at 276 grams and its thickness is just 8.3mm, avoiding the bulkiness of traditional large-screen phones, making the overall grip quite comfortable. Of course, the biggest highlight of the OnePlus 16T is still its performance. It's equipped with the 5th gen Snapdragon 8 processor, using a 3nm process and also supports the Game God core. Actual Antutu benchmark scores can reach 3.21 million points. Now, let's take a look at its actual gaming performance. Playing these games on the OnePlus 16T is simply effortless. It consistently maintains 120 frames per second, and even during teamfight, there's no lag or frame drops. It's incredibly smooth and fluid. Peace Elite is also smooth and fluid, consistently running at the highest frame rate. Plus, with the Link-Sync touch chip, its 3220 Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate ensures no missed touches during gameplay, making operations much easier. For games like Honor of Kings or PC Elite, we can enable esports mode and the Game Hub, activating super frame rate, ITTR quality, and high resolution settings, boosting the game's frame rate to 144 frames. Peace Elite will also soon support 165 frames. Once the frame rate is boosted, you'll experience more frames than the standard 120 Hz. This means you'll gain a clear advantage in your operations and your aiming movements will be incredibly smooth and seamless. Furthermore, thanks to the Glacier cooling system, the OnePlus 16T won't overheat even after long gaming sessions, which is a truly impressive performance. With the gaming camera's support, even in complex environments like cafes, the network experience remains very stable and lag-free. What's more, the OnePlus 16T features an 8300 mAh ultra-large battery, delivering incredibly long battery life. In tests, playing Honor of Kings for 1 hour only consumed 12% the battery, watching videos for 1 hour consumed only 5%, and browsing social feeds for 1 hour consumed just 6%. For gamers, a single charge can pretty much meet your gaming needs for an entire day. Additionally, it also supports 100W fast charging, which is a rare feature among this year's flagship phones. As for imaging, the OnePlus 16T is equipped with a 50-megapixel main rear camera using the Sony IMX906 dual sensor and supports 4-in-1 pixel technology. It also boasts official image stabilization. Plus, there's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. On the software side, it's equipped with Oppo's flagship ultra-clear image quality algorithm and the ultralight and shadow imaging algorithm, supporting features like shadowless snapshot and super imaging live photos. Next, let's look at the actual effect through sample photos. The 50-megapixel large sensor main camera on the OnePlus 16T delivers ultra-clear image quality. Whether in bright daylight or low light conditions, for dynamic shots or landscape recording, you can effortlessly capture stunning, clear photos. Colors are precise, details are rich, and the transitions between light and shadow are natural and vivid, with excellent dynamic range and ample tolerance. Photos have great depth and rich light and shadow layers. In low light, it accurately reproduces light colors. Sample images are clean without noise. Although it lacks a telephoto lens as a gaming flagship, I believe the OnePlus 16T's camera experience can still satisfy the daily needs of most users. Finally, let's discuss the system. The OnePlus 16T runs ColorOS 16, which is incredibly smooth and fluid. Visual effects are more natural and vivid, aligning better with user logic, providing a consistently smooth experience across all scenarios. App response is very fast, and operations are more precise, plus is as stable as ever. Overall, I think the OnePlus 16T's gaming experience is quite good. Based on its 165Hz high refresh rate and Gen 5 Snapdragon 8 processor, software synergy is fully optimized. Plus, it has a large screen and long battery life. After continuous tuning by the Fengshen game kernel, the overall gaming experience is truly impressive. Of course, another thing is the OnePlus 16A's more accessible price. If your budget is tight and you want the ultimate gaming experience, then you definitely can't miss the OnePlus 16T. a new performance flagship.